Welcome back. Welcome back. So today I've been gone for a while, but now I'm back and we back up and running and pushing. But hey, guess what? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification button. Wow, there's over 7.6 billion people in this world. So you know what that means. There's a lot of different eyebrows and how people like it. Here's the top 6 though. Okay, you guys, before we get started, I did take some of my friends and family pictures of their eyebrows. Wanted to show you the 3 points in their eyebrows, which you see right here, and what their eyebrow would look like if they had used a pencil or the pomade for their eyebrows. This person, I also used two different looks with her because she can either use two different shapes with her eyebrow. And I also use this person as a third, as using the 3 points. The first one is right there at your nose, the arch of your eyebrow, and then the tail end. Those are the 3 points. That's what 3 points mean, you guys. And this person, her natural eyebrows are naturally thick. But if she tend them a little bit more for makeup, this is what it will look like. So, let's get started with my eyebrow. This is my natural eyebrow up close and personal. And I did draw on my eyebrow in this picture and show you guys what it looked like. So let's get to filling in these eyebrows.
And y'all can see everything. Excuse my nails in this video. I popped off this one. Don't supposed to just bite them off, but I bite my nails off. But I popped off this one and this one, as you can see, because I needed to do some work. Well, twist my hair up, and I needed these two nails off because I'm left-handed. I couldn't function.
Okay, you guys, I decided to cut me talking out on this video because I had gum in my mouth, and that's rule number 1. You shouldn't have gum in your mouth. But anyway, and I was talking a whole lot in this video, and I'm trying to make it as short as possible. Here you see me using the witch hazel, and I did use some moisturizer because my face, I had just washed my face. And I'm also timing myself in this video, so I do show all that as well. So yeah, just continue to watch, and let's slay these eyebrows.
Now, and this is 3 months of not getting my eyebrows arched. It just depends on what do you prefer. Me personally, when I first started out in makeup, I would use a pencil because I didn't want my eyebrows too dark. Me personally, I don't like them extremely dark to the point it look like I got plastic on my eyebrows. I don't like that. Some people do. So I'm not knocking nobody that does like their eyebrows that way. This is just my preference. I got it upside down, you guys. It says dark brown. And it's by, of course, Anastasia. But when I first started doing my eyebrows, I used this one. I started out using this one. And let me see, can you see? And it says medium brown. The key thing to get a perfect eyebrow to make it look smooth is really not even these products. It's your concealer. So you can always find a concealer that's a lighter shade than you. Just one shade lighter. Don't go 2 or 3 shades lighter. As you can see, I don't think you see it on camera, but above my eyebrows, it's a tad bit lighter than below. So I use this concealer, and I think it's in Warm Honey. warm honey. I use it at the top and the bottom. And I use this.
Okay, you guys, here I'm showing you two different brushes. Of course, I like to use the one that's real pink, the darkest pink. Here you see me pulling up my timer on my other phone. I did mute it out because I'm sorry, you guys, I was smacking that gun this whole clip. So, yeah, sorry about that. So, really didn't even know I smacked gum, but anyway, this neither here or there. Here's me starting out doing my eyebrows. There's the timer you guys just saw. I go up under my eyebrow. I sped this video up a little bit, but I'm doing short strokes on it just to create the lines like I showed you in the previous clip. Before you even saw me talking. But anyway, yeah, I'm just smoothing it out and constantly doing light strokes. I do leave the beginning of my eyebrow out because, as you guys can see, it's way much lighter than the ending in the middle of my eyebrow. So I will show you at the end how I go back in and fill that one out. On this eyebrow, I also messed up a little bit, as you guys can see here, but I will fix it with the concealer. I kind of did this eyebrow kind of messy on purpose, just so you guys get the understanding that even though you mess up, you can always use the concealer, and it takes practice to get your eyebrow the way you want it. Because as you guys can see, I do have two different eyebrows. They are not the same, but I have to make them the same. So let me shut up and let y'all guys continue to watch. And yeah, that's it. Now, I like to use the brush that's on here. You can also use a flat brush. Some people like to use a flat brush. As you guys saw earlier, I did use the back of my hand to mix it up to get the product out so it can be even on both sides. But that's what I like to use. Sometimes I do go in with a brush, but this is my favorite way of doing it. This way, because that's how I learned using this way, this technique this way, instead of using a brush. It's a little bit more harder because the brush is kind of long, and it's just a little bit more harder for me. I really don't have a steady hand, but I know you guys think I do, but I really don't. So yeah, it's just something I like to do better than using the pen, not the pencil. Lord have mercy. My brain is tired. Oh my goodness, but my brain is tired. I've been doing this video for the last 5 hours trying to make sure it's correct. That's the time that I stopped, 7 minutes and 14 seconds of me doing my eyebrows. It never takes me that long. Thank the Lord. Because I heard some people takes them hours and 2 hours and 3 hours to do their eyebrows. It never takes me that long. But I use the Control Freak NYX stuff to lay down my eyebrows and keep them into place. They won't move. I don't care. They just will not move. And as you guys can see, I used all the product as well. Okay, let's close out this video. I'm going to try to be quick. I show you guys the 3 points in my eye. Really deep. 3 points of my eyebrow, where it starts, where's the middle, and where's the end. I also want to tell you guys that I do be on Facebook, Instagram, and Periscope. The links will be down in the description box. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.